flood warning in effect until 5 a.m. Sunday. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Jackson, Meigs, Morgan, Perry, and Vinton. When? Until 5 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 10:50 p.m., emergency management reported several roads across the area were flooded from prior excessive rainfall this evening. Flooding is already occurring. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen, with up to half an inch of additional rainfall expected overnight. Some locations that will experience flooding include Athens, Wellston, Nelsonville, Gloucester, MacArthur, Albany, Shawnee, Lake Hope State Park, Chauncey, Camden, New Straitsville, Corning, Buckville, Jacksonville, Colton, Trimble, Zaleski, Hemlock, Amesville, and Renville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely.